In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add floating notes and instructions in your spreadsheet using the textbox tool. If you've ever wished you could just type a note anywhere on your sheet, you've probably noticed that cells don't quite work for that. That's where a text box comes in. It lets you place clear instructions, labels, or alerts right on top of your data without changing the cells themselves. Start by going to the Insert menu and selecting Drawing. This opens a blank canvas, separate from your grid, where you can create elements that aren't tied to any single cell. Think of it like a mini design space just for your note. On that canvas, click the text box icon in the toolbar, then click and drag to draw the size you want. As soon as the box appears, start typing your message. You can use the formatting options in the toolbar to make it easy to read. Change the font to something clear, bump up the size so it stands out, and set the alignment so it looks neat. Treat it like a simple document. You're just shaping your text so it communicates at a glance. When it looks good, hit Save and Close. Your text box will pop onto your spreadsheet. From here, you can click and drag to move it anywhere on the sheet, or grab the corners to resize it so it fits perfectly. The best part is that it floats above the cells. You can position it over data, charts, or headers, and nothing underneath gets deleted or overwritten. Your formulas and values stay exactly as they are. The text box is just a visual layer on top that you control. If you want to refine the look, double-click the text box to jump back into the editor. This is a great place to add a background color or a bold border. A soft fill can make your note feel like a friendly guide, while a high contrast color and a thick border can turn it into a clear banner or warning label. Keep readability in mind. Choose colors with enough contrast, avoid overly decorative fonts, and make the text size large enough to scan quickly. That's all there is to it. Use text boxes to highlight instructions for teammates, call out important updates, or label sections of your sheet, all without touching your data. Save and close, place it where you need it, and adjust anytime with a quick double click.